Hello, my name is Christina. I'm a marketing representative for Westar Industries. Recently, Westar Industries has developed an online program that will instruct shippers and transporters of hazardous materials which placards must be displayed on the transport vehicle. Hazmat Placard Solutions, or HPS, will determine if the hazardous materials may be transported or if they are forbidden to be transported without special permits. When shipping or transporting more than one hazardous material on the same transport vehicle, HPS will determine if the materials are compatible, if they have to be segregated, or if they are forbidden to be shipped together. Recently, a truck was stopped at a state scale, and after inspection, it was determined that the truck was loaded with incompatible hazardous materials which are forbidden to be transported together. The transport company had to send an additional truck to the scale to offload the incompatible materials. The transport company and the shipper were both fined. HPS would have prevented these costly mistakes. HPS allows shippers and transporters to build loads of hazardous materials accurately without compatibility issues. It will then inform you which placards must be offered and placed on the transport vehicle. The service also maintains an accurate record of all hazardous materials shipments in a secure database to assist customers with DOT inspections. Recently, our company surveyed 5 trucking companies that transport hazardous materials regularly, 5 shippers of hazardous materials, and 5 local state DOT scales, and asked them all one simple question. If you are transporting or offer for transport 500 pounds of Class 3 flammable material in non-bulk containers and 600 pounds of Class 8 corrosive material in non-bulk containers, which placards would be offered for shipment and displayed on the transport vehicle? The responses were unbelievable. 3 of the 5 trucking companies stated it would require a dangerous placard. 4 of the 5 shippers were unaware that they had to offer placards. And 3 of the 5 state scales agreed with the incorrect trucking companies that a dangerous placard should be offered and attached to the transport vehicle. The correct answer to the question would be no placards are required. In order to use a dangerous placard, you must have 2 different class materials listed in Table 2, and both must require individual placards. In reference to the question, Class 3 flammable material non-bulk only requires a placard if the gross aggregate weight is 1,001 pounds or more. Class 8 corrosive also only requires a placard if the gross aggregate weight is 1,001 pounds or more. Therefore, the answer is no placards required. The fines for improperly placarding a vehicle transporting hazardous materials is $1,000 to $9,000 per incident. HPS was designed to answer questions such as this one and to provide the correct answer every time, therefore eliminating costly misinterpretations. HPS is continually updated and very user-friendly. Simply by adding certain data about the hazardous materials load, HPS will provide a correct answer within minutes. HPS is also very affordable and requires no annual contracts. Best of all, it requires no pre-installed software. Therefore, anyone that has the internet connection can use HPS anywhere. For further information about HPS or some of our training videos such as hazardous materials transportation and hazardous materials security awareness, please contact Westar Industries at 636-928-9720. Thank you.